Let's talk about October 27th, 1962, Black Saturday, the single most dangerous day in human history.
Even the officials involved had no idea. They only realized years later how close we actually came.
So, how did we get into this mess? And more importantly, how did a few critical choices pull us back? The Cold War was a powder keg. America and the Soviets were locked in a tense nuclear stare-down. To counter U.S. missiles in Turkey, Khrushchev rolled the dice with a secret plan for missiles in Cuba. And then, an American spy plane flew over the island. The secret was out. The crisis was on.
Kennedy's top generals had one answer: strike now. Hit them hard before those missiles could launch.
For them, anything less than a full invasion of Cuba looked like weakness, pure and simple. But Kennedy chose a middle path, a naval quarantine. It was a high-stakes standoff on the open sea. This all led to Black Saturday. Two separate events that day nearly triggered World War III on their own. First, a U.S. spy plane was shot down. The scary part, Moscow didn't even give the order. At the exact same time, another crisis was happening, completely in secret, deep under the ocean. On a Soviet subs, conditions were an absolute nightmare. The crew was exhausted, boiling, and totally cut off. The U.S. Navy dropped small signal charges, but to the terrified crew below, it sounded like war. The captain, thinking they were under attack, gave the order to arm their special weapon, a nuclear torpedo. Now, launching it needed 3 officers to agree. The captain and one other both said yes. While all this was going on, a secret back-channel negotiation was the only thing that could stop the chaos. So here's how it went down. Publicly, the Soviets blinked, but secretly, Kennedy gave up something huge. And the world celebrated. The leaders had done it. They'd pulled everyone back from the edge of Armageddon.
But was it the famous leaders who saved us? Or was it a man nobody had ever even heard of?
His name was Vasily Arkhipov, and his single no in that chaotic submarine may have stopped a nuclear war. It really makes you wonder, right? Who truly holds the fate of the world in their hands?